Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Mondays. And today it's in prime time with Blue Raspberry.
I don't think we've tried any of those sports drinks, have we? I should pick up
Prime sports drinks. Oh yeah. I remember seeing those, but no, I don't think we've tried any of those to my knowledge. Anyways, so let's look at the important factoids here. We got ourselves 10 little calories. We got 55 milligrams of sodium, 4 grams of carbohydrate. We got 56 milligrams of calcium, 132.7 milligrams of potassium, 2.55 milligrams of B6, 3.6 micrograms of B12, and 56.3 milligrams of magnesium. And 200 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can.
That should be enough to split.
I think that should be pretty good.
130.
Mm-hmm.
Not sure it'd give us some wings per
Yeah,
se,
but nice looking can with the black top there.
Yeah.
Makes it look very nice and stylish. So, ooh, powerful Blue Raspberry. Ooh, yeah.
Who's prime by again? Is this Logan Paul or is this Jake Paul?
It's one of the Pauls. And somebody else too. It's Paul and somebody else that meaning behind it.
I was listening to Logan Paul and Conor McGregor are supposed to get together for a knockdown beat 'em up.
Wow, that's pretty good. Nice smooth Blue Raspberry. It's not quite as the syrupy tasting Blue Raspberry. It's pretty
nice
good.
sparkle to it though.
Exactly. And just enough bubbles to cleanse the palate, which is really nice.
We almost lost it.
Mm-hmm.
We almost lost our Brian. Yeah,
like
that's
that.
pretty good.
But yeah, very smooth, nice and bubbly as well. And nice and light on the Blue Raspberry flavor, not as powerful, pungent in your face as typical Blue Raspberry sauce. That's definitely nice. And it's not leaving you that weird aftertaste in like the back of your throat that some of them do.
Yeah.
Because that's kind of weird. Because you can get some really strong, weird in the back of your throat aftertaste, which is kind of weird. So, but that's pretty good. I like that.
Done that. I'm not seeing as many with the green tea extract. Are you?
Not of recent, no.
That's what.
So that's kind of interesting.
About Rowdy.
And also Celsius as well.
Yes,
yeah,
that's true.
So yeah, that's definitely a nice blend. So,
anyways,
but yeah,
a weird aftertaste too, but still good.
Yeah, but I like that. Nice, good taste, and yeah, nicely done can design.
Possibly at your Dollar Tree.
Yep. Oh, nice. That's not too bad. I'd say that's an SRT 392 because it tastes very good and nice to sip on as well.
Yeah,
so I like that very much. Okie dokie.
Good job, Prime.
Yep. Alrighty, guys. So that's been us in prime time, and we will see you guys here next time doing something else. But anyways, thanks for watching. Exactly. We do a lot of time in prime. But anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys here next time. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.